How to uninstall, delete or remove live launcher on Android phone. For doing this, go to settings, tap on settings, tap on system settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for live launcher, tap on live launcher, tap on home screen, tap on your default launcher. Now go back. Now tap on uninstall. Now tap on OK. Now I hope that you uninstall, remove, delete live launcher on Android.